welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering, like, she's lost her damn mind. But yes, I'm like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and today's video we're gonna be filming a Christmas tag, and yeah, basically I'm gonna answer 11 questions for you guys, and let's get started. So the first one says, do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? And it depends on where we spend Christmas. Like in the past with my mother, we used to just dress up, celebrated with my sister, and me at my household, I like to do the whole PJ thing because it's fun and it's just like very, I don't know. It's also a tradition that I do want to start for like my new families. PJs. Number 2, if you could only buy one person a present this year, who would it be? Oh my god. That sucks. No, I have 3 kids. I was about to say my daughter Cadence, but now I have 3 kids and that would not be fair. So if I really had to, then I would just buy myself one. I'm just kidding. Oh, maybe I would just donate. Yeah, I would for sure donate a gift to somebody that didn't have one, you know? So nobody, none of my family, not myself. It would have to be for somebody. That's a good one, huh? I saved it. You can't answer the same way. Just kidding. Number 3, do you open your presents Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? It's a hard one too. It depends. I like to do it Christmas morning, but then again, it just depends. If I have family over, then it's Christmas Eve. Traditions, I guess. Number 4, have you ever built a gingerbread house? Of course. Like I have always bought my daughter the whole little kit, or we just make one. So yeah. Number 5, what do you like to do on your Christmas break? Usually I don't have a Christmas break. I feel like I have always worked all of my Christmas holidays. So if I'm not working, I do like to bake, and I do like to decorate the house and things like that. Nothing special, I guess. Number 6, favorite Christmas meal or treat? What comes out on Christmas? Cocoa and marshmallows. Yeah, hot cocoa and marshmallows for sure. What is your favorite holiday movie? That's a hard one too, because I have so many. I have more modern ones like Christmas with the Cranks. That's really funny. I love like the Charlie Brown Christmas movie. I like the Christmas Carol. Christmas Story, Don't Shoot Your Eye Out or whatever. That kid that buys the BB gun or whatever. Candy canes or gingerbread men for question number 8. For sure candy canes. Number 9, have you ever made a snowman? Of course. I live in Colorado, so it snows a lot. And I'm thinking of doing that pretty soon because we have a shitload of snow outside. So it would be really good to do that right now. And, but honestly, like fun little fact, I moved here when I was 21 years old and I had never seen snow before then, so. Question number 10, which do you like better, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Christmas Eve if we're celebrating, Christmas Day if we open presents in the morning. I guess Christmas Eve if I have to choose one. And then question number 11, sorry this is a really short video. 11 is white lights or colored lights, and something about colored lights like brings me like, what is it called, nostalgia. Love colored lights, but I don't do that. Like I just like to do white lights, especially outside. If I even do lights outside, they're white usually, and inside I love white lights. I love the way white lights look. Like I have them at my salon, hanging in my room, and I just like. But that's it. I'm so sorry that this video is so tiny, so short. But I am gonna tag a few people. I first want to tag Andrea Montes. I will link all of them down below, and also I tag her sister Vanessa because she's a YouTuber, and I like to try to get people to, like, you know, film more videos and stuff like that. So sure, Andrea and Vanessa. And then DIAZ with us, like they're a family vlog, so go check them out. I'd like to tag you guys as well, because to tag Fatima, if you're watching this, please record this video, girl. Tag Autumn Beavers, guys, go check out her channel. She vlogs a lot. Like her videos are amazing as well. And I do think of you. I will put you in the down bar below. So film the video. Esmeracha, if you're watching this, also you too. And yeah, if you want to film it, feel free to film it, and let me know so that I can go watch it. That's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.